Computer science is one of the most powerful disciplines that is shaping the world today. It derives technologies that impact our daily lives, from autonomous systems and artificial intelligence to intelligent infrastructure, cybersecurity, and data-driven healthcare. It touches every aspect of our lives. It's a very critical discipline that shapes the future. For countries like Pakistan, the importance of this discipline is even more pronounced. Advancing computer science is not just an academic goal, it's a matter of strategic national priority. It sits at the core of our ambition for economic growth, innovation, and digital transformation. That is why computer science at ITU is the largest and the flagship program. I am Dr. 𝗬𝗧𝗨'𝘀 and I am leading the Department of Computer Science at ITU with a PhD in signal processing from Georgia Tech, postdoctoral research from Brown University and MIT, and advanced training in applied mathematics and machine learning. I've spent most of my career working at the intersection of computing, algorithms, and applied mathematics. I'm proud to lead a department that reflects same depth and level of expertise. Our department is home to ITU's largest and most internationally trained faculty, with research backgrounds from top institutions in the world. Our faculty works across key areas of modern computer science, including artificial intelligence, computer vision, natural language processing, remote sensing, cybersecurity, software systems, distributed computing, human-computer interaction, theoretical computer science, and applied mathematics. This diversity in expertise gives our students an extraordinary range of pathways, from foundational theory to cutting-edge applications, and an opportunity to specialize in rapidly evolving areas like AI, cybersecurity, and data-driven technologies. To support this academic and research excellence, our department houses a number of high-tech computing labs, including Embedded Computing Lab, High Performance Computing Lab, and number of dedicated GPU labs. These labs are equipped with modern GPU servers and high-throughput computing infrastructure that is normally linked with university-wide data centers, providing the necessary infrastructure for advanced machine learning, large-scale data processing, and simulations. Beyond teaching labs, the department is home to several active research labs. In these labs, faculty and students work side by side on ambitious and impactful projects. These labs are generously funded by national and international funding agencies and often working in collaboration with global partners. At the Department of Computer Science, we are not just educating students, we are building a next generation of thinkers, innovators, and researchers that will shape the technological future of Pakistan. If you are passionate about computing and want to create an impact, this is a place to be. Thank you, and I look forward to welcoming you at ITU.